Welcome to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast, where we help you navigate the ins and outs of running your micro and small businesses, providing actionable insights and strategies to thrive. I am Dr. Karen Lowe, founder of Epigram Consulting Services. Please like, subscribe, and share to help us get the word out about building great micro and small businesses. Today, we dive into an often overlooked but essential topic for business owners, messaging. Specifically, how to craft messaging that not only attracts new customers but also keeps your existing ones coming back. Messaging is all about how you communicate with your audience, potential and existing customers. And let us be honest, the way you communicate can make or break your business. We focus on how to shape the messaging in different types of advertising, which is a key part of marketing. As with other topics we discuss, this is a crucial step that impacts the profitability and long-term success of your business.
Let's go.
Let us start by defining what we mean by messaging. At its core, messaging is the way you present your business to the world. It includes the words, tone, and visuals that convey who you are, what you offer, and why your product or service matters. Whether it is a slogan, an ad, an elevator pitch, or even your website copy, the messaging you create should be clear, consistent, and targeted. Messaging goes beyond just a catchy tagline or a pretty picture. It is about connecting with your customers on a personal level. For potential customers, it should answer the question, why should I care about this product? For your existing customers, it is about reminding them why they should trust your brand. Let us look at how messaging works in different types of advertising. We explore a few key methods: digital ads, social media, email marketing, and local online listings, such as Google My Business and Yelp. Number 1, digital ads such as Google and Facebook. Digital ads are a powerful way to reach new customers because they are highly targeted. But here's the catch. Your messaging needs to grab attention fast. Potential customers scrolling through their feeds or search results have just a few seconds to decide if they are interested. Imagine you own a local bakery. A potential customer sees your ad on Facebook with the headline, "Fresh bread delivered to your door in 30 minutes." That headline focuses on what the customer wants, which is speed and freshness. In just a few words, it tells them what you offer and why it is convenient for them. Number 2, social media posts such as Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Social media is perfect for messaging that feels conversational and interactive. It is not just about sales pitches, it is about engagement. The messaging here needs to feel personal and aligned with your brand's identity. Let us say you are a personal trainer. On Instagram, your post could say something like, "Need a quick workout on a busy day? Try this 10-minute routine." You are addressing a problem your audience faces, which is lack of time, and offering a solution, all while showing your expertise. Number 3, email marketing. To retain existing customers, email is one of the best tools. The messaging in email campaigns should focus on keeping your customers engaged, offering them something of value, and reminding them why they chose your brand in the first place. Imagine you run an online skincare business. You send an email to your customer base with the subject line, "Exclusive offer just for you, 20% off your favorite products." Here, the messaging creates a sense of exclusivity, making the customer feel special while encouraging repeat purchases. Number 4, local online listings such as Google My Business and Yelp. Local online listings are incredibly effective for small businesses, especially those targeting customers in a specific area. These platforms allow you to create a business profile, where potential customers can find key information like your location, services, and reviews. Messaging here needs to be concise, focused on your core offerings, and include a call to action. Let us say you run a local coffee shop. On your Google My Business listing, your messaging could read, freshly brewed coffee and homemade pastries. Order online and get 10% off your first pickup. This message emphasizes quality and convenience while encouraging potential customers to take action with a special offer. Now, let us dive deeper into how to craft effective messaging that resonates with your target audience and drives results. 7 steps in this section includes know your audience, focus on benefits, not features, speak in simple, clear language, be consistent across channels, create emotional connections, include a clear call to action or CTA, and test and refine your messaging. Number 1, know your audience. The foundation of effective messaging starts with a deep understanding of who your audience is. You need to know not only their demographics, like age, location, and income level, but also their motivations, challenges, and desires. Are they young professionals looking for convenience? Are they families in search of affordable, reliable solutions? By understanding their specific needs, you can tailor your messaging to resonate with them on a personal level. Say you run a daycare service. The parents you target are likely most concerned about safety, education, and care quality. Your messaging should directly address these concerns. Instead of saying something general like we offer childcare, make it more targeted. Say, your child's safe space to learn and grow. Enroll today. This message hits the key points parents care about, which are safety, learning, and growth, while also inviting them to take action. Understanding your audience allows you to create messaging that makes people feel like your business understands them. This is crucial to standing out from competitors. Number 2, focus on benefits, not features. It is easy to get caught up in the features of your product or service, but features alone do not sell. Customers want to know what's in it for them, how your product or service will make their life better or solve a problem they are facing. That is why focusing on benefits is essential. Think about it this way. Features are the what, but benefits are the why. While features tell potential customers what your product does, benefits explain why those features matter to them. Let us say you are selling a vacuum cleaner. Instead of listing technical features like powerful suction or cordless design, flip the script and focus on the benefits. You could say, spend less time cleaning, more time relaxing. This message emphasizes what the customer truly cares about, which is saving time and having a clean home without the hassle. By focusing on benefits, you make your messaging more relatable and customer-centric. Number 3, speak in simple, clear language. Whether you are advertising on social media, Google, or in an email, your message needs to be clear and easy to understand. Therefore, avoid jargon, overly technical terms, or confusing phrases. Your potential customers should be able to quickly understand what you're offering and how it benefits them. Say you run a mobile car detailing service. Instead of saying, we provide comprehensive vehicle aesthetic enhancements and protective coatings, simplify it by saying, we make your car look brand new at your doorstep. This message is straightforward, appeals to customer emotions, and makes your offer instantly understandable. Number 4, be consistent across channels. No matter where your messaging appears, whether a Facebook ad, an Instagram post, a Google listing, or an email, It should maintain the same tone, style, and core message. Consistency builds trust and helps establish a recognizable brand. If your messaging is all over the place, customers might feel confused about what you stand for. Consistency does not mean using the exact same wording everywhere, but it does mean your core values and tone should remain the same. For example, if your brand tone is friendly and approachable, it should stay that way across your website, social media, and print ads. Another example, let's say you own a fitness studio. On your website, you might say, achieve your fitness goals with personalized training. On your social media post, the tone should be similar, such as, ready to crush your fitness goals? Join us for a free class. Both messages encourage action and maintain a positive, motivational tone that aligns with your brand. Following a process where you review and align all your content ensures that customers get a consistent experience, building a sense of reliability and trust in your brand. Number 5, create emotional connections. The most effective messaging does not just inform, it connects emotionally with potential customers. Whether you are tapping into excitement, empathy, or curiosity, emotions drive decisions. Think about how your product or services makes people feel and incorporate that into your messaging. Say you own a pet grooming business. Your messaging could say, give your pet the love they deserve with our gentle grooming services. This taps into the emotions pet owners feel about their pets, love, care, and responsibility, while positioning your service as a way to enhance their pet's well-being. Number 6, include a clear call to action or CTA. No piece of messaging is complete without a call to action. A CTA tells your audience exactly what you want them to do next, whether making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, or visiting your website. Without a clear CTA, your potential customers might be interested, but they will not know the steps to take. Your call to action should be specific and action-oriented. Phrases like buy now, sign up today, or learn more are direct and give clear instructions. For example, you run a local restaurant. Your digital ad could say, order now and get 10% off your first meal. This is a simple but powerful call to action because it clearly tells customers to take action and offers an incentive. It also gives them a reason to act immediately, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Final, number 7, test and refine your messaging. Always test and refine your messaging. Not every message will resonate with your audience on the first try. Use data from social media insights, email open rates, and ad performance to see what works best. Once you know what resonates, refine your messaging to make it even more effective. For example, you notice that your email campaigns have a low open rate. You could try tweaking the subject lines to be more compelling. For instance, instead of monthly newsletter, you could change it to exclusive offer just for you and see if it leads to more engagement. Constantly reviewing and improving your messaging process ensures that you stay relevant and effective in reaching your audience. Why is messaging so important? It directly impacts how potential customers perceive your brand and whether they are willing to make a purchase. Clear and compelling messaging builds trust. When customers feel like you understand their needs, they are more likely to buy from you and keep coming back. Let us talk about processes. Creating a structured approach to messaging where you review, test, and refine your message helps ensure that you are consistently putting out high quality content. Following this process can help avoid confusion, create a strong brand identity, and maximize your profitability. This in turn builds customer loyalty. For example, by sticking to a process of regularly updating your email campaigns based on customer feedback, you can boost open rates and sales from your existing customers. My challenge to you is to sit down today and create a plan for your messaging. Start by defining who your ideal customer is, then tailor your message to them. Look at your advertising, whether it is on social media, email, or online, and ask yourself, is my message clear? Does it offer value? Thank you for tuning in to the Micro and Small Business Mastery, the podcast. If you found this episode helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have not already done so, click the notification button for twice weekly content. We post on Mondays and Thursdays each week. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with messaging, please leave a comment below or email us. Your feedback helps us create more valuable content for you and others. Your feedback and insights are always welcome. Also, what topics would you like me to discuss in the future? How can I help you? Epigram Consulting Services offers business coaching, strategy consulting, marketing solutions, and much more. You can always contact us if you need more practical solutions for your business. See our website details in the description below and in our bio. We're also on all social media platforms. Thank you so much for staying with me. Continue creating your business masterpiece.